A titration curve for a strong acid, e.g., hydrochloric acid, HCl, and a strong base, e.g., sodium hydroxide, NaOH, is a graph that shows how the pH of a solution changes as the strong base is added to the strong acid. Here's a brief overview of the key points. X-axis. The x-axis represents the volume, usually in milliliters, of the strong base solution added to the strong acid solution. Y-axis. The y-axis represents the pH of the solution. Initial pH. The initial pH is very low, close to zero, because of the strong acid in the solution. Equivalence point. At this point, the pH should be close to 7, neutral pH, but it may not reach exactly 7 due to practical limitations. Shape of the curve. The curve starts with a low pH, and as the strong base is added, the pH rises rapidly. The curve has an S-shaped pattern with a steep incline near the equivalence point. In strong acid-strong base titrations, the endpoint is usually the same as the equivalence point because the pH change is rapid, and it's easy to detect when the reaction is complete. 6. Neutralization reaction. The reaction between the strong acid, HCl, and the strong base, NaOH, is a neutralization reaction, resulting in the formation of water and a salt 7. HCl plus NaOH-H2O plus NaCl. A titration curve for a strong acid and base is relatively simple and is often used in introductory chemistry to illustrate the concept of titration. The curve demonstrates how the pH changes during the course of the titration and allows for the determination of the concentration of the analyte, in this case, the strong acid, based on the volume of the titrant, the strong base, required to reach the equivalence point. Enjoy some classes. We provide you with valuable and up-to-date knowledge about the pharmacy education. We create entertaining yet informative videos on topics such as chemistry of drugs, biochemical reaction, and much more. Hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon and join our mission to make understanding pharmacy easier for everyone. Like, share, and comment on our videos. We look forward to hearing from you.
Johnson Classes.
The best for best.